Do you wish there was an effortless way to calculate and provide employees with a detailed report of their short-term disability, workers' compensation, and all approved leave days? Are your leave administrator and business partners worried of miscalculation of long weekends, holidays, and authorized business closings inadvertently counted as approved leave days? Introducing Excel Employee Leave Tracker Scheduler. Simply enter the employee's name, last day worked, personal vacation days, approved days, indicate if the employee was hospitalized on the first day or not, and Excel Employee Leave Tracker will provide the first and last day of waiting period, supply a detailed report of all days approved, and will also provide the expected return to work date. This report can be given to both the employee and all business partners to account for the employee's absences. Contact us today to learn more about how your HR department can benefit using Excel Employee Leave Tracker.